your tube bending process. Achieve this level of precision? Watch this CNC 3D copper tube bending machine in action. This CNC tube bending machine is designed for accurate and efficient copper tube forming, ideal for HVAC refrigeration and heat exchanger applications. The machine automatically controls feeding, rotation, and bending for consistent results. Even complex tube shapes can be produced with accuracy and repeatability. Why choose this machine? High accuracy, stable performance, less material waste, lower labor costs, built for efficient production, suitable for HVAC systems, refrigeration equipment, heat exchangers, and industrial tube manufacturing. Smooth bends, consistent dimensions, reliable quality in every tube. Looking for a tube bending solution? Contact Bobo Machine today. Our engineering team is ready to support your project.